Welcome to this video on how to make a bee bead. To make this bead, you will need some very basic tools and supplies: a pair of tweezers, a knife or shaping tool, a dipped mandrel, and some glass. For this video, we are using a 332 mandrel and some 104 soft glass, which will be yellow and clear. We will also be using two stringers, which will be black and white. We start with making a basic barrel bead. With your knife, create a dent in the glass on the top 1/3 of the bead. The top part will be the bee's head and the rest will be the body. If you're not happy with your dent placement, just reheat the bead and try again. When you are happy with the dent placement, add some more heat and make the dent a little deeper. The bee looks a little better when the head is a little smaller than the body, so I like to use the marver or shaping tool to roll the head a little bit. This helps create the difference in the sizes. A bee is not a bee without the stripes, so with the black stringer, add 2 stripes of black to the body of the bee. Use the knife or shaping tool to make slight adjustments to straighten the stripes. Melt these stripes in. Time to add the wings. I usually pick a place on the body of the bee where the stripes are not so straight and add 2 drops of clear glass. This will be the base of the wings. Once you are happy with the placement, add more glass. You can make the wings as big or as small as you want. do your best to keep the wings the same size. Once you're happy with the size, use your tweezers to flatten the wings. Try not to make them too thin. If they're too thin, they may break off later. Another thing that can be done to prevent future wing breakage is to push the wings slightly towards the front of the body. Add a little heat and push them a little forward. Remember to reheat the whole bead to prevent it from cracking. To create the eyes, add 2 small dots of white glass. Gently press these dots down. To finish the eyes, with the black glass, add 2 small dots in the middle of the eyes for the pupils. As well, add 2 small dots for the little antennae just above and slightly off to the side of the eyes. Gently press the black pupils down. To finish the antennae, add a little heat to the black dots to make sure they are well connected to the bee's head. To finish these, add a drop of black glass to the top. Slightly melt these to ensure they are securely attached. And there you have a bee bead. Thank you for watching. Have fun torching!